Hello team, welcome you all. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about Worksheet Interface. We have already worked on it, but I wanted to give you a brief or just a crux once again about all the elements in the worksheet. Okay, so that you guys won't uh, get confused, unable to understand each and every part. So here in this worksheet, as you already know that we will select, for example, I'm going here, this files and servers where we can get the data into our tablet. I'm selecting at present the servers, Microsoft, Amazon, different servers it will support from where you can get the data into tablet, and these are files, so I'm taking only file sample superstore and opening into it. So here we know, right, it's all about the data base where from where we got it, and these are all sheets, orders, people, and return. In order to get the data, as we know that we need to take and drag it here, all the content of the worksheet will be here. Got it? So we know about the live and extract as well. Live is for real-time data, extract is all snapshots. So it is the data source. In the downside you can see there is a data source option here. So when you click it, what happened, you will see all the content here from where the data is, what about the sheet we are using, all the stuff of the data is here. It's all about the data content where we got from. So we can go to here, and downside we have option of sheet here. The sheet is of the data, we can click it, right? So this sheet is helpful in making the graphical representation. If you want more sheet, you need to click here. See, when I keeping a cursor on this, then you get a option of new worksheet. So click it, we will get another sheet as well. But if there are another two plus signs here, this is called dashboard, this is called new story. Here dashboard and new story will, I will be teaching you guys in the coming tutorials. This I will give the crux of it, why to use the dashboard. You use for like gathering or connecting to more graphs and helpful in representation instead of moving here and there in moving the Excel sheets. Okay, only one way, in one graph only we can show all the things in one page, I can say. And here the story, here what happens in story, we will be telling the things in the form of story, like about graphs. I will teach you in the coming tutorials. So here we know, right, we have this sample superstores, or here I'm currently using this order sheet of here we can see the of sample superstore. Okay, and coming down here you can see that there are two types of differentiation here in the form of dimensions and measures. What are dimensions? Dimensions, these all data what I'm talking about here, these are dimensions or independent data. Okay, or okay, like order id, ct, they won't change. Okay, but what about profit, salary of a person, growth rate will change. So these things will come under measures. The downside of, we can see, right? So that's thing. Another thing, these are all menu bars, file, data, worksheet, dashboards, and these are all below that there is a toolbar. Okay, so these are, and that is the point. And coming to downward, there is a part called pages card, filters card, these are called cards. This is called marks card, this is called column card, this is called row card, this is called sheet where we will give a graphical representation. So these are called cards. So if you wanted to, these filters, we already know that, right, that like in order to filter out the data on pages, we do in the, like, what I can say, in the motion picture. I will tell you about this thing. Like, you wanted to do the like motion picture, we can use these pages as well. I will tell you, like in graphs we use it. I will tell you in the meanwhile in coming tutorials. And marks card, right, like colors, size, text, you want to represent that the way you want to differentiate the data. These are things are helpful here. And coming to row and column, we already did it, right? If you want category, take it here. Okay, I'm taking profit here in the rows, sorry, profit in the rows. So you can see the data, right? It is the, okay, this column and row. Before that, what you will see, like, this is called card. See, this column is called card, and the data which we got here, it is called sheet. If you want a clear sheet, see the category will go out. See here, clear sheet, sorry, clear shelf, we will get option. So in this way We can clear out the data as well in our column card and row card. And another thing which I want you guys to tell you is show me here option we got in the right side pane. When you click here, you can see the different graphs with there where our tableau supports. Okay, if you wanted to move out of it, click on it, show me again. So one more thing, I wanted to tell you guys is like hiding the things. Like, sorry, I didn't forget this. Sheet 2, like already told you this, the sheet 2 is the by default name of the sheet name. The sheet 2 is here, it is title, it is taking the by default name of the sheet. So if you wanted to what if you wanted to edit it, double click it. Oh, what happened? Otherwise, here you have an option called edit title, you can edit it here. We have other option of caption. Okay, go to worksheet, you can't see here, show option. You will see in the downside, it will represent the give the brief description of the data of the graph which is present here. Okay, this caption is useful. Okay, if you have hide, if you, for example, you hide these filters. Okay, you hide that filter card. If you wanted to show it again, so go to the worksheet menu bar, and here we have option called where is cards, show cards. Oh, filter shelf. See you got here filter shelf. Okay, you got it. So in this way you will get all the cards here. And these are the elements in our Tableau worksheet interface. I hope you got it. We'll meet you next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.